Hello and welcome to M.K.G Biotech Club. And I got a news from many students that CSIR has released the link for downloading the admit card, and now the students are unable to download their admit card and the link is not working. So let me explain you that this is a fake news. Actually, CSIR has already released that the admit card is released only for the Earth, Atmospheric, Ocean and Planetary Science students whose exam will be held on 29th of January. And for the rest of the streams like physical science, mathematical science, chemical science and life science, the exam will held on 15th of February to 17th of February. So CSIR will release later for any link for downloading their admit cards. So now CSIR has not released any link for these stream students. The admit card link works only for those students who belong to Earth, Atmospheric, Ocean and a planetary science stream. So don't panic and prepare for your exam. And if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe my channel for later news.